let's just chuck a quick. Whoa, oh shit!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm a bit bunged up at the moment, but it snowed and I've always wanted to do this video, you know, and I thought, you know, what a bad idea. I've got the E36 outside, it's snowing outside, I'm on semi-slicks, let's go for a drive. Guys, what I do also want to mention as well, this video is sponsored by Reg Plate King. If you've not heard of Reg Plate King, they are basically the bee's knees when it comes to private plates, gel plates, 3D plates, 4D plates, whatever you want, custom plates they can do. Guys, make sure you check out Reg Plate King. I've been using them for years now for my own personal cars. They produce such good, high quality reg plates and they deliver them so quickly. So if you want to place an order, make sure you use Real Talk here for 10% off your first order, and they arrive like that. So make sure you get them ordered. And again, a massive thank you to Reg Plate King. Just to sort of be honest here, my wife thinks I'm a dick really for doing this, but we're going to do it anyway. Let's show you the tyres that we're on, just to give you some sort of idea. Yes, I don't know if you can really see those. They're going to be lots of fun, but let's see if it starts. Trusty old key. Look at that. Whoa, proper 90s vibes. Oh, she unlocked. Oh, here we go. Don't know if this is a good idea actually, but we're gonna do it anyway because we love it. Right, let's get it started. Here we go. Oh God, oh Jesus! Let's see what happens. Good morning, neighbours. Good morning, everyone. Here we go.
Chunky beat.
Which is obviously good. This is such a bad idea, but I'm doing it. Okay, we're off. We're off. Okay. Give me a sec, guys, because I think I'm stuck already. Right, well, I'm incredibly out of breath. This is a very bad idea, but we're going to do it, and we're going to do a bit of a POV drive. I can't see the curbs, which is good fun. And let's see how these semi-slicks cope with the snow. First thing is they're quite grippy. No, they're not quite grippy. Any touch of the throttle, I'm woo! I don't think I'm going to be able to really get far. If I get to a hill, we're screwed. So we're not going to go find a hill. But let's go for a POV drive in the snow. Oh my God, right, let's just try brake. Yeah, it just doesn't brake, just doesn't really brake. But it's okay, that's what we do. We're all about the fun and games. I need to look like a for all of you because this is going on. Have you seen what this looks like on? Look like bloody Bane, but hello. Jesus Christ. Here we go. Yep. Oh, and we're... Oh my God, did I just hit a curb? Okay, here we go. POV drive. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This bloody... I tell you now, GoPro, this head strap is not very comfortable, especially when I've got a wham forehead. Okay. We are not driving silly, let's be clear on that. Absolutely not. Oh dearie me. Okay. So, first junction. Let's see how this goes. Oh yes, it's quite expected, to be honest. Oh God, that's good fun. I think maybe we need to make a UE, to be honest. And we'll go back down here, I think, maybe. I don't know. Whoa! Easy! Easy there, Tiger! This is, I'll tell you, if you want to go sideways really easily, put some semi-slicks on and just dab the throttle and you're sideways, just like that. Oh, I love it. Oh, guys, this is probably the best fun you can have. Obviously, I don't advise doing it in a busy area, of course. And obviously, if you're a shit driver, just don't do it, innit? And let's just chuck a quick. Whoa, oh, 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 shit. Whoa, that was close. Oh my God. Please tell me I was recording. I thought I'd binned it, guys. Oh my God. It just came all the way down. Look at where it stopped. Look where it stopped. Holy shit. Oh my God.
I don't know if you saw that. I was coming down that hill and it was not braking and I absolutely shat my pants and it just stopped. I was like, anyway, let's crack on.
Guys, I almost lost it. Very almost lost it. This is a piece of piss, look. Going sideways, Colin McRae. Colin, look in the mirror, look at the snow, and we'll give it a little flick that way, into second. Little flick, get it like that. Oh God, very sideways. This is like you're on Colin McRae dirt, to be honest. I don't, oh my God, right, let's slow down, because I don't want to repeat it last time. On earth, that was so close. I was bracing for impact. Like, you know when you do, and I was just thinking my wife is gonna say, I told you not to do that. Okay, can we get up the hill? I'm not gonna try that one because that looks horrible, to be honest. No, we're not going up that one. There is no way on earth we're getting up that one. So we're going to try another one. As soon as you just tap the throttle, guys, it goes. This ain't no garage queen, I'll tell you that. It is good fun, but that has shook me up a bit, you know. Oh my God, there's nothing even at the top here. So that means I have to come back down. Oh my word. Oh no, there is. Let's quickly chuck it into second. You feel like a pro drifter. Shit. Okay, okay, oh, okay, okay. Oh my God. That was bloody close to the curb, I think. Okay, now I'm very nervous because I'm about to go down a hill and yeah, basically you would have seen, I'm still not over it, to be honest. Look at this, just does teach you good car control. If you've never had a rear-wheel drive car, go out in the snow, somewhere quiet. If you're not, you know, afraid to get your car wrecked, just practice, because you never know when the back end will come out on a car. Yeah, but almost done a Brett Barnes and just absolutely pelched it into a fence. I don't know how it just stopped. It wasn't stopping, and I was genuinely, you can hear I was panicking. Go for the old Scandinavian flick and flick it just like that. Catch the slide. Let's do a brake check. What are the brakes like? That was terrible. This is the hill. This is the non-forgiving hill that almost perished my car. Oh God, right. This is not the start that I wanted, to be honest. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. We can't get stuck. Can't get stuck. Get the fresh snow. Get onto the fresh snow, Christian, and you cannot stop at the junction. We just have to go. We just have to go. We're going. We're going. We're going.
Boy, oh boy. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Bit of a mad one. I know it was a silly video, I know it's a stupid video, I know a lot of you be like, why on earth would you take it out? It was a bad idea and I knew that, but I just thought it'd be a bit of fun. Let's see what semi-slicks are like in the snow, and I can happily report they're absolutely terrifying and they're awful, so don't do it. But I had a bit of a blast. I'm sure there's a lot of people. I saw a few people doing the same as me. I don't know if they were deliberately trying to do it. I definitely wasn't deliberately trying to go sideways. It just happens, rear wheel drive, not much grip. But the scariest things were the front tyres with no grip on them. They weren't braking. And I genuinely, as I was going, I was closing my eyes thinking, my wife, just before I left, said, that's a stupid idea. And I thought, oh God, if I end up binning this, what am I going to say to her? I'm going to have to make up some stupid lie about how something crashed into me or how like a deer ran into my car, which you would never believe, but the car just stopped. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As usual, guys, we're chasing down 9,000 subscribers, so don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this, please let me know. But if you want your car on the channel for like some sort of review, some sort of comparison, please do let me know. I'll put my email address down below as well.